we got a little bit of snow on the window. Daddy's outside, snow and blowing. Had a little bit of a snowdrift here. There he is out there, blowing some snow in. And then we have where he had to plow himself out of the garage with snowdrifts that were as high as the, yeah, that would be the front end of my van that you just can't see anywhere. So we'll go into the garage and turn around, and there is our snowdrifts. That is a Dodge Dually that's snowdrifts over it, and my Chrysler Town & Country minivan that's buried in there. And whew, I feel like a little kid. And his little path he has here. So there he is, snowing and some blowing in. We've got quite a lot to snow blow. It is February 2nd, 2011. We had no power for 5 hours and a schnit load of snow. And as you can see, it's still pretty much whiteout conditions, and it is a mess. And here comes Big Daddy. Snowing and blowing. Kind of gives you an idea of how deep that is, seeing as that is a ginormous John Deere snowblower. And mind you, my husband's approximately 6 foot tall. A little bit chilly.